Organizing your subjects. It is myOrganized.life, August 16th, 2018. And it is
Thursday, hashtag
myOrganizedStudent.
Yes.
Thursday, August 16th.
Correct.
This is myOrganized.life Live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and we do back to school tips during the month of
season for
July
back to
and
school.
August on Thursdays.
On Thursdays. We've done it.
Yes.
Well, we didn't do it last week because you were on.
Yes.
We've been out for 2 weeks.
We were gone. We were gone for a while. Yeah.
We
So
were
we're
dark for
back.
a little bit. So this is our 4th week doing
Yeah.
back to school
Yeah.
solutions.
A couple more weeks. Even though some people are already back to school, some still haven't gotten. But I think by the time Labor Day rolls around, just about everybody's back in
What
school.
about the people that go to school year round?
Ooh. Well,
Do they have a special?
They never go back to school.
When do
then.
they change?
They're always in
when
school.
do they change grades? Do you know? Is it the same time of
Well,
year?
it's probably in the spring, don't you think? They have
I don't know.
They graduate one day and the next day they're back
Hey,
in
that's a
class.
comment. If you are in school year round or know somebody, when do you move up a grade?
I think actually, don't they also have they must have like a break.
They do. I think they get,
Like the
a
month
couple
of-
months on and then like 3 weeks off. Something
Yeah,
like that.
something like that.
It's kind of funny.
This could create a lot of discussion for those of you experts on year-round school. But that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about hashtag myOrganizedStudent. And
We've got a whole campaign around that right now.
Organizing subjects, though. So let's put up the
Subjects.
problem that we're going to give you a solution to.
Problem.
In school these days, unless you're in elementary school, but even in elementary school, you have different subjects,
I
right?
can't believe how many subjects even the middle schoolers have.
Yeah.
Don't they have like 7 or 8 period
Yes,
days?
and then they have electives, and then they have
I
my
know.
favorite subject, which is lunch, but that's a whole nother
and recess.
subject.
Recess.
Recess,
Do
yes.
they have recess in middle school still?
I think so,
Okay.
probably, or it's probably gym class,
Yeah,
right?
probably. Right.
Yeah. So
Okay.
anyway, so that's the dilemma.
So
you
different
have
subjects,
different subjects. You
problems.
can't just have like one big folder for everything.
To get one of those trapper keepers, but we're talking about our solutions, not the other company.
That's right. So I have no idea what you're talking about. So anyway,
Okay, good.
'Cause I just don't follow the other company.
Okay.
Anyway, so what do we have first?
Well, first we're going to talk about this 24 pocket poly organizer. Number is, you need to put up the slide there, 89206.
Okay.
And we've showed this before, but
Yes,
in a different way.
this is the producers.
This is my personal folder.
Yes.
So it's got 24 pockets, front and back, bright colors, and it's all spiral bound in this nice, handy. It's like a notebook. It's really durable. Do you want to show it to that camera over there?
Put it over here. And in the front there, there's
That's my calendar for the show.
You can slip in your. You can customize it.
You can customize it.
Sorry. All right. So we've got the different subjects in the different colors, and for those who are very astute, would also know that the color scheme on this kind of matches another product of ours, the Cascading Wall Organizer.
And they're all tabbed, so you can label them. And this has 24 pockets, so the pockets, they don't get that, they don't expand that much.
Right.
So
But enough.
enough. You could maybe use 2. I mean, this whole spread
two per subject, because
could be a
people
subject.
don't have 24 subjects.
I hope not, because that would be hashtag overload.
Right. So we'll put up the slide again.
Right.
That is
89206, the 24 pocket poly organizer. Nice, durable, spiral bound, just like your student notebooks, but this can hold subjects.
even better. Yes, and a great way to organize subjects. So let's put up another slide of. Now here you have two different options. You have either the blue or the orange.
The bright orange or the blue.
It's the bookshelf organizer with Super Tab.
7087. Oh, I'm sorry. 70867 is the number for the blue one that I am showing right here. And this is great because this has 6 pockets. So
6 subjects.
6 subjects. It opens such as this. It expands, has some nice expansion. You can see the sides expand.
Let me hold that up a little bit closer here.
Sure.
Show the expansion first.
Yep.
Kind of get an inside
Inside
shot.
look.
Nice, but
Comes with labels. You can
and
label
this
the
is
tabs.
a Super Tab label, which means
Bigger label or
90% more.
90% more.
Yes.
More writing area. And then it shuts nice. It has
I love this.
a
piece.
magnetic.
I love that little.
That is your favorite.
It is. It just kind of reminds me
nameplate.
of one of those, libraries.
All it needs is a little hook right here so you can just
pull it out.
Yep.
This
and then
can't
it
fit
has
on a bookshelf.
magnetic closures
Yep.
right here. So it shuts nicely, and a student can come home and put it on their desk at home, or put it in their dorm room on their little desk in their dorm.
You know, they could take this to class too. I mean, you know, you could drop this thing or whatever, things aren't going to fall out. But, you know, some people might actually take the 24 pocket organizer and use this as the kind of a
cool
file
desk,
at home. Yeah, you never know. A lot of different ways you can use this. But,
and again, this comes in orange. The orange basically matches this packaging color. Orange or this
Monaco blue.
Is that what it's called? Monaco
I think
blue?
it's
Probably.
Someone in marketing came up with this, you know, fancy name for it's blue.
It's blue.
Okay.
I call it navy, but
yeah, could be that.
So
awesome. Let's put the slide up for that again. This blue one again is 70867. We also have the orange one available as well.
6 pockets for 6 subjects.
Yes, and actually,
Great product.
I think that's about. Don't they have like 7 periods
I think
at school?
so.
6
I think
subjects
that's probably
and lunch.
average.
You know, you don't need to collect anything for lunch unless you want to put your lunch
Leftovers.
in there.
Who knows?
That could.
On Italian Dunker Day, you might want to
talk
put
to the
that
marketing department about the 7-pocket organizer, and maybe that 7th pocket could be like
insulated.
Yeah,
insulated.
There we go.
That's a good idea.
Did we come up with the product ideas?
And it could have separate pockets within that for you know, your leftover grapes and your sandwich, because you don't want your sandwich colliding with your grapes or your pudding.
Oh yes, pudding.
Yum.
When was the last time you had pudding?
The other day.
You did?
I bought it on a whim, and I thought, this looks kind of good. It was only okay.
All right. Well,
anyway,
there's some solutions for you for organizing subjects, all part of the My Organized student campaign here to bring awareness that, you know, we have hundreds of products available at SMED.com and myOrganized.life
for
school.
School and home
And school
office.
could be for little kindergartners all the way up to college students. So
exactly.
Check it out. Tomorrow,
Friday,
is Blogger Roundup.
Yes.
Okay, so hopefully we'll have some good blogs for that.
I think so. I think we'll have a couple. I think I've already started. Well, I know I've already started looking, so
good.
A couple good ones.
Good. If you have any, by the way, blogs that you love following, put them in the comments. We do use the comments as a way to kind of search out new blogs.
We got a lot of comments yesterday on yesterday's show.
Yes.
That was nice.
Yeah, it was. Yes. It was fun, wasn't it?
Very nice. Yes.
Yes, it was good. Well, you know, I guess one or two people missed us.
I guess
I
they
didn't
did.
see comments from your mom, but maybe
I know.
maybe she doesn't miss you
I need to talk to her
anymore.
about that. I thought she had an alert on her phone that came up, but
I did see.
She probably
though,
snoozed it one too
on
many
one of our
times.
when you, on the Blogger Roundup that you did by yourself, I did notice though that your sister-in-law gave you a like.
Yes, she did.
So shout out to Ashley
Hi,
for that.
Ashley. Yep.
Way to go. I mean, way to support the family in this show. This is great.
Exactly.
So anyway, we'll be back tomorrow for Blogger Roundup here on myOrganized.life live.